Hello friends, in the previous video I have shown you how to register and generate login ID and password. In this video I will show you how to complete your application form. Let's start by clicking on the apply online button. Enter your login ID which was previously generated and the password. After that click on login button. Read the instructions carefully regarding how to complete your application form. On the left hand side, click on View/Edit Application to continue to fill your application form. The personal info page will be displayed on your screen. Enter all the details correctly. Fields marked with star are mandatory. Enter your father's name, mother's name, local guardian's name, local guardian's mobile number, your father's occupation, your parents' annual income. Select your marital status, date of birth. Use the calendar to select your correct date of birth. Place of birth. The blood group and other fields are non-mandatory. Click on Save and Proceed button. The next page is for entering your address. Address is categorized as correspondence and permanent address. Applicants having same correspondence and permanent address should enter only the first part. Candidates with different address should tick this box and enter their permanent address details. After entering all the details, click on Save and Proceed button. Now we will enter the details. Select your district, enter the PIN code and click on Save and Proceed button. Select your religion from the drop down list. Then select the location where you reside. Then select your category. Reserved category candidates should have a valid caste certificate. If during admission you do not have a valid caste certificate but have applied for one, then your admission will be considered as provisional until you submit a valid caste certificate. Select details related to physical handicap. Are you physical handicap? Are you ex-serviceman, ward of ex-serviceman, and are you a sports person? If selected yes, the level at which you have played sports will be shown. Select the appropriate level and click on Save and Proceed button. In the qualification page, you will have to enter your SSC or 10 standard marks as well as the HSC or 12 standard equivalent marks. For starting entering the HSC 10 standard marks, click on the Add button. Select appropriate board from the drop down. The number of attempts which you took for clearing the examination, marks obtained in SSC mathematics subject. Select out of marks. The overall marks obtained in SSC out of marks. Select the month and year of passing SSC examination. Select the division. Enter your SSC roll number. Once the information is correctly filled, click on Done button. Similarly, click on Add button for entering the HSC math marks. Select the appropriate board. Select the stream from which you have completed or passed your HSC examination, the number of attempts, the marks obtained in SSC examination. Select the month and year of passing your HSC examination, the division, and enter your roll number. After entering all the details, click on Done button. The marks which you have entered will be saved or will be displayed on this page. If the details are correct, click on Save and Proceed. In this page, you will have to enter your subject-wise marks which you have scored in your HSC examination. This is the most important part of your application. You will have to enter the details of individual subject passed or studied in HSC based on these subjects which you have studied in HSC. The choice of courses shall be made available during option form filling phase. The subjects are categorized into 4 types: compulsory, elective, vernacular, and additional compulsory. English is a compulsory subject and its details should be entered compulsorily. Select the compulsory option subject type. Click on subject name as English. Enter the marks obtained in English subject out of marks. Select the grade and click on Save button. Similarly, select the other elective subjects or optional subjects which you have passed in your 12th standard. Enter all the subjects which you have studied in 12th standard and enter their details accordingly. After entering all the subjects which you have studied in 12th standard, in this page you will have to upload your scanned copy of photograph. Click on Select Photograph button. Click on the Browse button for going to the location where your photo is saved in the system. Select the photo and click on the Open button. You can resize the button using these arrows. On the right hand side, the cropped image of your photo will be displayed. If the photo is appropriately cropped, then click on the Done button. After successfully cropping the image, click on Upload All. After uploading your photo, the entire summary of your application form will be shown on the screen. During this stage, you can make changes to any information by clicking on the appropriate tab located at the top of the profile. If all the information entered by you is correct, then click on Submit button to submit your application form. After submitting your application form, you will not be able to make any changes in your application form. Now I will show you how to make changes at this stage. Let's say that you want to make changes in your address field. Click on the Address tab. The address page will be open and you want to make changes to your PIN code. Enter revised PIN code. After entering the revised PIN code, click on Save and Proceed button. As you can see, the information is correctly reflected. After completing all the necessary information, click on the Submit button. The message will pop up whether are you sure you want to submit your profile. Once approved, your profile can't be changed. Click on OK button. Your profile is submitted and now you won't be able to make any changes to your application form. In the next video, I will show you how to complete your option form. Thank you.